In a small town called Rameswaram, a boy used to wake up at 4 a.m. to deliver newspaper. Years later, that same boy would lead India into nuclear age and inspire millions. That boy was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man whose journey from poverty to the presidency is not just inspiring, it's transformative. He lived in a simple room even as a president. Even during his presidency, Dr. Kalam never moved his family to Rashtrapati Bhavan. He lived very simple life with only the essential things like a bed, a table, a few clothes and books. He had no personal wealth. After his death, it was revealed he owned no car, no house, and land as well. His belongings included just 2,500 books, a veena, and a watch, a few suits and clothes, one pair of shoes. That's all. Refused to use government perks. As a president, he avoided unnecessary luxuries. He often paid for his own travel if it was not for official work. He even paid for his guest stay at Rashtrapati Bhavan out of his personal funds. He cleaned his own rooms. Even as a top scientist and later president, Kalam would make his own bed and clean his room. He believed that discipline and self resilience were vital values for everyone. He ate simple South Indian food. As we know that APJ Abdul Kalam was a South Indian, he was a Tamil Muslim, you know that. So Dr. Kalam enjoyed very basic vegetarian meals like rice, sambar, curd, and pickles. He never had lavish tastes and never demanded special dishes, even while traveling or attending state banquets. Then he always preferred to be called as a teacher, despite being called Missile Man, People's President, and Bharat Ratna. Kalam always said, I am not a scientist, I am a teacher first. He kept teaching till his last breath at IIM Ceylon, and he never took gifts from himself. Like whenever he was giving expensive gifts during state visits or ceremonies, he would donate them to museum or give them away. He believed public service meant not keeping anything personal. Public service meaning not keeping anything personal. Okay. Thanks for watching my video.